Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Welcome to our video on breakfast options for managing diabetes, hypertension, and fatty liver. Starting your day with a healthy breakfast is crucial, especially for those with these conditions. A well-balanced breakfast can help stabilize blood sugar levels, maintain healthy blood pressure, and support liver function, making it an essential part of your daily routine. This video aims to provide informative and supportive dietary guidance to empower you to make better choices. We understand that navigating food options can be overwhelming, especially when you're trying to manage specific health concerns. That's why we're here to break it down for you in a simple and approachable way. You can expect to learn about the best breakfast options that are delicious and beneficial for your health. We'll discuss nutrient-rich foods that can help you start your day on the right foot, such as whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Additionally, we'll highlight some of the worst breakfast choices you should avoid, which can negatively impact your health and well-being. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to create a breakfast that supports your health goals. Whether you're looking to manage your diabetes, keep your blood pressure in check, or help your liver health, we've covered you with practical tips and delicious ideas. So let's dive in and explore the world of healthy breakfast options together. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. The perfect breakfast for diabetes, hypertension, and fatty liver. Focusing on nutrient-rich foods is critical to crafting the perfect breakfast for individuals managing diabetes, hypertension, and fatty liver. One excellent choice is oatmeal, which is high in soluble fiber. This helps regulate blood sugar levels and can lower cholesterol. Pairing oatmeal with fresh berries, such as blueberries or strawberries, adds natural sweetness and antioxidants, making your breakfast both tasty and beneficial. Nuts are another fantastic addition to your morning meal. Almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds provide healthy fats and protein, which can help keep you full longer while supporting heart health. Just remember, portion control is essential. A small handful of nuts can offer significant benefits without overloading calories. Creating balanced meals is crucial for maintaining overall health. A great breakfast combination could be a bowl of oatmeal topped with a handful of berries and a sprinkle of nuts. Consider a smoothie made with spinach, a banana, and a tablespoon of nut butter for a quick and nutritious option. This smoothie tastes great and packs a punch of vitamins and minerals. It is important to encourage viewers to try these meal combinations. They are easy to prepare and can be customized to suit individual tastes. Whether you prefer a warm bowl of oatmeal or a refreshing smoothie, these options can help you start your day healthily. So why not give them a try and see how delicious healthy eating can be? 7. Worst breakfasts that cause fatty liver. Being mindful of your breakfast choices is crucial when managing fatty liver disease. Unfortunately, many everyday breakfast items can exacerbate this condition. One of the top offenders is sugary cereals. Often marketed as healthy, these cereals are loaded with refined sugars that can lead to increased liver fat accumulation and contribute to insulin resistance. Pastries, such as croissants and donuts, are another breakfast staple to avoid. These treats are high in unhealthy fats and sugars, which can spike blood sugar levels and promote fat storage in the liver. Similarly, processed meats like bacon and sausage are high in saturated fats and contain preservatives that can negatively impact liver health. Bagels and white bread are also problematic. Made from refined flour, they can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar, leading to increased fat storage. Also, breakfast sandwiches combining these refined carbs with processed meats can create a double whammy for your liver. Understanding how these foods contribute to liver fat accumulation and overall health risks is essential. Regular consumption of these items can lead to weight gain, increased cholesterol levels, and a higher risk of developing more severe liver conditions. We encourage viewers to read labels carefully and consider their breakfast choices. Opting for whole, unprocessed foods can make a significant difference in managing fatty liver disease. By avoiding these common breakfast pitfalls, you can take a proactive step toward better liver health and overall well-being. Remember, your breakfast sets the tone for the day, so choose wisely. Shocking 8. Foods that cause fatty liver. Many people are surprised to learn that certain healthy foods can contribute to fatty liver disease. Beyond typical breakfast items, some unexpected culprits can lead to liver fat accumulation. One such item is certain fruit juices. While they may seem nutritious, many commercial fruit juices are loaded with added sugars and lack the fiber in whole fruits, leading to spikes in blood sugar and increased fat storage in the liver. White bread is another surprising offender. Made from refined flour, it can cause rapid increases in blood sugar levels, similar to sugary snacks. This can lead to insulin resistance, a critical factor in fatty liver disease. High fructose corn syrup, commonly found in sodas and processed foods, is particularly harmful. The liver metabolizes fructose differently than glucose, converting it directly into fat, which can accumulate over time and lead to fatty liver. Other surprising foods include certain salad dressings high in sugars and unhealthy fats, flavored yogurts that often contain excessive amounts of added sugars, and even some granola bars, marketed as healthy snacks, which can be packed with hidden sugars and unhealthy ingredients. We encourage viewers to consider their overall diet, not just breakfast, regarding liver health. Awareness of these shocking food choices can empower you to make better decisions. By focusing on whole, unprocessed foods and reading labels carefully, you can take significant steps toward protecting your liver and improving your overall health. Remember, every meal counts. Don't ignore 10 warning signs of fatty liver disease. Fatty liver disease often goes unnoticed until it reaches advanced stages, making it crucial to be aware of its warning signs. One of the most common symptoms is fatigue. Feeling exhausted despite getting enough rest could signal from your liver that something isn't right. Another warning sign is abdominal discomfort. This can manifest as a dull ache or fullness in the upper right side of your abdomen, where the liver is located. Additionally, unexplained weight loss can be concerning. If you're losing weight without trying, it's essential to investigate further, as this can indicate underlying health issues, including fatty liver disease. Other symptoms to watch for include jaundice, a yellowing of the skin and eyes, dark urine, and pale stools. You might also experience swelling in the legs or abdomen and changes in appetite. Early detection is vital for managing fatty liver disease effectively. If you notice any of these warning signs, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional for a thorough evaluation. They can provide the necessary tests and guidance to help you understand your liver health. We encourage viewers to monitor their health closely and seek help if they notice these signs. Being proactive about your health can make a significant difference in outcomes. Remember, your liver plays a crucial role in your overall well-being, so don't ignore the signals it sends you. Taking action early can lead to better management and improved health. Before you eat breakfast, the truth about oatmeal, eggs, bacon, and dairy. When it comes to breakfast, understanding the impact of familiar foods like oatmeal, eggs, bacon, and dairy on your health is essential. Let's start with oatmeal, a fiber-rich option that offers numerous benefits. Oatmeal is packed with soluble fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and keeps you feeling full longer. This makes it an excellent choice for those managing diabetes or looking to maintain a healthy weight. It's Vitalvit style and can be topped with fruits, nuts, or seeds for added nutrition. Now, let's talk about cottage eggs and bacon. Eggs are a great source of protein and essential nutrients, including vitamins D and B12. When consumed in moderation, they can be part of a balanced diet. However, while delicious, bacon is high in saturated fats and sodium, which can contribute to heart disease if you overeat. If you enjoy bacon, consider eating turkey bacon or plant-based alternatives to reduce your unhealthy fat intake. Dairy products are another breakfast staple that can be both beneficial and problematic. While yogurt and milk provide calcium and protein, many dairy products, especially flavored yogurts, can be high in saturated fats and added sugars. If you're looking for healthier alternatives, consider unsweetened almond milk, coconut yogurt, or Greek yogurt, which is lower in sugar and higher in protein. In summary, being mindful of your breakfast choices can significantly impact your health. Oatmeal is a fantastic start, while eggs can be enjoyed in moderation. Be cautious with bacon. Choose dairy wisely to support your overall well-being. Choosing the proper breakfast can set a positive tone for your day, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels, maintain healthy blood pressure, and support liver function. We discussed nutrient-rich options like oatmeal, berries, and nuts, which can provide essential vitamins and minerals while keeping you satisfied. We also highlighted the importance of avoiding harmful foods that can exacerbate these health conditions. Sugary cereals, pastries, and processed meats can lead to increased fat accumulation in the liver and other health risks. Recognizing the warning signs of fatty liver disease, such as fatigue and abdominal discomfort, is crucial for early detection and effective management. We encourage you to take charge of your health by making informed breakfast choices and being mindful of your diet. Every meal counts, and small changes can significantly improve your well-being. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Your support means a lot to us. Remember to like and share this video with friends and family who may benefit from this information. Together, we can spread awareness and empower others to make healthier choices. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.